Hello everyone! Today I am working with wild salmon, not farm-raised from the store. One thing many people don't realize is that wild salmon is not always bright red or deep orange in color. I start with a whole side of wild caught salmon and split it into two fillets. First, carefully separate the fish from the backbone. Then remove the rib bones and any remaining pin bones. It's important to do this before curing, because once the fish firms up, removing bones becomes much harder. After trimming, thoroughly pat the salmon dry with paper towels. The drier the surface, the better the texture will develop during curing and air drying. I use the same cure mix for both fillets. One fillet is lightly brushed with gin. Only a small amount is needed. The goal is not to soak the fish, but to add subtle juniper and citrus notes. The second fillet is topped with fresh dill. Dill pairs beautifully with salmon and gives the fish a fresh, classic Nordic-style flavor profile. After applying the cure and flavorings, place the salmon in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, remove the salmon from the refrigerator. Gently wipe the surface with dry paper towels and remove any excess salt. Then prepare the fillets for hanging using butcher's twine. Then lightly sprinkle a very small amount of crushed coriander and freshly cracked black pepper over the surface once again. After that, hang the salmon or place it on a rack to air dry and cure for about 3 days in the refrigerator with good airflow. I am not smoking the fish for this recipe. This keeps the flavor clean and allows the coriander, black pepper, dill and gin to remain noticeable without being overwhelmed by smoke. After 3 days, the salmon develops a beautiful firm texture and a rich, clean flavor. The surface becomes slightly dry and delicate, while the inside stays tender, smooth and silky. The gin-cured version has subtle Nordic-style juniper notes, while the dill version tastes fresher and more traditional. Both slice beautifully into thin pieces, with a clean texture and a deep, natural salmon flavor. They work perfectly as an appetizer on toasted bread or as part of a charcuterie-style platter. Thank you so much for watching. All the details for this recipe, including the cure mix and preparation steps, are listed in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate your support with a like. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.